If you want an online portal for your shop and help your customer to give you order online, all you have to do is register yourself as a retailer on My Dukandar app. Click the sign up button. Here you have different categories. Maybe you are a grocer, then you have to click on grocer. If you deal in dairy products or bakery products, you have to click accordingly. It may happen that you are a grocer but you have some product in dairy or bakery. What in that case you have to select all three, but your primary business is grocery, then you have to select the primary business as grocery. Once done, you can type your shop name, say Lakshmi Super Shoppy, then your first name, then you have to enter your mobile number. You will be receiving OTP on this number, which is necessary to complete your registration. You have to enter the correct 10-digit number. Yes. We will recommend that you should have your email ID, even though it is not compulsory. Description of sale. If you want to enter some details about your shop, you can enter over here. You have to give shop address so that your customer can find you. I consider Pune district, Taluka Haveli. Location. This is like city area you can enter. Let's say I enter Pune. Pin code. Then workplace. It's a locality name that you have to enter. In this case, it would be Bhawanipet. The street on which your shop is located. In this case, it is Bhavani Mark. The building name, let's say Veena Apartment. Shop number, say 3. Now you have to select which are the areas you serve in. Let's say in Pune. If you have some additional area which are not above, you can click add more areas. Now what type of facility do you have? Is it pickup facility, home delivery, or both? In both, you have to enter both. If you apply any delivery charges, you have to mention over there. Do you want to allow your customers to add products manually which are not listed on portal? Initially, we would recommend that you click on yes till the time you upload all your product on the portal. Do you want to update the rate of the products? If you update the rate, it will help you. Let's say yes. Now here there is another option. Do you want to display the rates to the customers? If you are selecting yes, then it would be mandatory for you to enter the rates of all products. Otherwise, you can add manually while preparing their invoices. And when you are entering the rates, it's necessary that you review them. In this case, I would recommend let's have 3 weeks में एक बार तो उसको review करना ही है. We have to review it minimum once in 3 days. Do you want to maintain the stock? अगर आप इसको yes बोलते हो, then the next question is, do you want to prohibit customers from ordering if sufficient stock is not available? If you click yes, then it is necessary that you maintain a proper stock. Otherwise, your customer won't be able to order you. We would recommend till the time you get hang of it, you click no. Then the day on which the shop will be closed. My shop is closed on Sunday. Then the time of opening and closing. You customize your shop, give some branding, logo you can select. You have to enter the front photo of your shop. Then the document name. Now this is a section where you have to update the documents. you have to upload your PAN card and Shop Act, so that it will increase your credibility with your customers. And please remember, it is mandatory to update this document to authenticate that you own a shop. And the very important, if you are registering before 31st of May, there are no subscription charges to you lifelong. Now you have to enter the login details over here and select suitable password, confirm your password and confirm that you are not a robot, agree terms and conditions, and then you have to say register. Once you register, you will get a message that the My Dukandar team will review your application and provide access for your registration. Thank you.